Recently, Huayang Steel Pipe carried out a spring tree planting activity in its factory area to fulfill corporate ecological responsibility and promote the construction of a green factory. Considering the soil conditions in Mengchun, the tree species for this greening activity were carefully selected. The planted trees include redbud, golden elm, hibiscus, weeping willow, and holly, all of which are suitable for the local soil and climate conditions. During the planting process, the trees were planted according to the landscaping plan, and staff members carefully straightened the seedlings and filled the soil around them. After planting, the trees were watered and maintained to ensure their healthy growth. More than 100 trees were planted in this activity. Through continuous greening efforts within the factory area, Huayang Steel Pipe is constantly improving the ecological environment of the plant and promoting the construction of a green factory with concrete actions. Huayang Steel Pipe will continue to actively fulfill its ecological responsibilities while pursuing sustainable development.